Ready, start. Ever since the President made it known that recent amendments to the Army Act and Official Secrets Act were enacted without his assent, the legal status of both laws has been open to question. Given the state's refusal to acknowledge the issue and the president's inability or unwillingness to take action after his startling disclosure, it seems the Supreme Court will ultimately decide whether or not presidential assent can be deemed to have been given in this case. The amendments in question, bulldozed through Parliament by the PDM government despite allies and civil society's vocal protests, have far-reaching implications. Through the amendments, the movers of the bills sought to cede considerable new powers to the Pakistani military and the army chief, including powers to retaliate more forcibly against critics and suppress dissent, as well as the power to control armed forces personnel's professional and political decisions even after their career in the forces had ended. Other provision had given blanket cover to the armed forces extracurricular activities, as long as they could be argued to be in relation to national development or strategic interests. Full stop, new para. The Supreme Court Registrar had returned an earlier petition against the amendments on technical grounds, but two recent petitions, filed by the Sindh Bar Council and PTI Chief Imran Khan, seem to mount a more serious challenge. Both petitions have argued that the two bills through which they were enacted never received presidential assent. They have also argued for the amended laws to be suspended while the court deliberates this matter, considering that they allow the state to aggressively encroach on a slew of civil rights. It is regrettable that he, President himself, has chosen to remain quiet despite being responsible for much of the confusion surrounding the laws. Meanwhile, separate challenges against the trial of civilians in military courts. Full stop.